This is our new door lock machine, D1-EP. It can make the lock hole and hinge on our door, and it also can make the window hole on the door. Here's the spindle. You see the spindle here. And this is our system. System is similar with D1-E. So the auto main page for the auto mode, lock mode, lock slot, and everything here. Manual mode, control the spindle, control the cylinder. Through the parameter here, we don't need to change anything here. Offset, we can make the tool setting for our auto spindle. I/O monitor. Alarm. The formula. This is a keyhole. Keyhole is for our top side of the door. You can see that keyhole is some formula here. And also can make the glass hole, the window hole. Style 1, Style 2, Style 3, Style 4, Style 5. And it also can make some slots or make some line on our door. From here, we can set our line here. Only straight line, not the arc. If we want to make the arc, we need to change the system. There's a recipe here. When we finish setting our formula, and it will storage in the recipe, we can use our recipe anytime if we want. And we can edit we can modify our formula here. This is our new D1-E local machine.